If you have clicked on this video, then chances are that you are starting a long journey towards self-improvement and financial freedom. Many people before you will have started that journey, but failed to reach their end goal, and a lot of the time it is because those people did not know where to really start or how to gain the knowledge they need to achieve financial freedom. Or if that isn't you, and you're just looking for a good read, then worry not, because you are in the right place. Books are often overlooked in today's modern age, but the ones I'll be listing today contain the knowledge that will set you in the right direction towards wealth and freedom. Now, if you enjoy this video and you find it useful, then please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the little bell icon to make sure you never miss a World O'Clock video. All the links to the books will be listed in the description below, so make sure to grab at least one of these. And so with that, let us begin. Number 1, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Now, if you're going to read any book on this list, I would highly recommend you make it this one. Rich Dad Poor Dad is a personal finance book by Robert Kiyosaki, first published in 1997. The book advocates for financial literacy and financial independence and discusses the difference between poor and rich thinking and how these mindsets can affect your personal finance. One of the main ideas presented in the book is the importance of asset allocation and building passive income streams. Kiyosaki argues that the traditional path to financial success, which focuses on education and employment, is not sufficient and that building wealth requires a shift in your mindset and a focus on acquiring assets that generate income. One of the strengths of Rich Dad Poor Dad is its clear and concise writing style, which makes it an easy read even for those who are new to personal finance. Kiyosaki's use of anecdotes and personal stories helps to illustrate his point in a relatable way. Overall, Rich Dad Poor Dad is a valuable resource for anyone looking to improve their financial literacy and achieve financial independence. While some of the ideas presented in the book may be controversial or not applicable to everyone, the core message of the importance of building passive income streams and thinking differently about money is valuable for anyone looking to take control of their financial future. 10 out of 10 would highly recommend. Number 2, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Psychology is often overlooked in the world of business today, but having the skills to manipulate people into buying your product or service is a vital part of business. The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel uses the power of short storytelling to outline how people relate differently to money. You can read each one of the stories independently, making this the ideal financial reference book to dip in and out of for inspiration as and when you're looking for insight, which parallels to The Richest Man in Babylon in this regard. What's so engaging about this book is that it permits you to learn from other people's experiences with money, and each story is jargon-free and filled with personality. Every story presents its own moral, helping you understand why people react the way they do to money. Give this one 9 out of 10 and I would recommend it. Number 3, The Automatic Millionaire by David Bach. Now, this book is different from the two previously mentioned. Rather than providing you with the understanding of a rich man's mindset, it gives you much more of a practical way in which you can set up passive income streams that will set you up for the future. At the crux of The Automatic Millionaire is one core principle: automating your finances can lead to wealth. The main theme of the book is the power of automating your financial decisions, whether it's setting up automatic investments or automatic bill payment. Bach argues that by automating these things, you can save yourself a lot of time and effort and make sure you're consistently making the right financial choice. The author does an excellent job of providing a straightforward approach to improving your financial habits, which can help you invest, save, and enrich yourself in the process. In less than a day, you can put David Bach's plan into action, enabling you to set up the systems required to build wealth in the long run. This book is a 10 out of 10. It's a must-read for anyone looking to invest in their future. I'd highly recommend you grabbing yourself a copy. Number 4, How I Invest My Money by Joshua Brown and Brian Portnoy. Investing can be scary for a lot of people, especially if you are new to it and have no prior experience in investing. But it is also something myself and others believe that everyone should be doing, no matter how much you are earning. Now, this book gives you the base knowledge needed to get started with investments, which are key to getting your money to work for you. Brown and Portnoy bring together insider stories from 25 financial experts to explain how financial professionals invest their personal money. As a result, you will learn an abundance of wealth creation strategies that you can put to the test in your own life as soon as you put the book down. How I Invest My Money also covers a lot of information integral to smart investing, including risk tolerance, asset allocation, and diversification. It is the ideal book for anyone looking to level up their investment strategy, whether you're new or already investing. 8 out of 10 would recommend. Number 5, Know More, Make More, Give More by Rob Moore. Achieving complete financial independence is universally sought after, but as Know More, Make More, Give More explains, you cannot become entirely in control of the finances if you don't understand how to play the money game. This book by author Rob Moore takes a deep dive into the best ways to achieve wealth and that seemingly elusive total financial independence. Another thing I really appreciated about this book is that it's not just about making money, but also about using it to make a positive impact on the world. Moore encourages readers to think about how they can use their financial success to give back and make a difference in their communities. Know More, Make More, Give More is a must-read if you are like so many and want to live a financially comfortable life with the ability to support both yourself and the people you love. This book is a 10 out of 10 that I would highly recommend. Thank you for making it to the end of this video. I hope you all have learned something new or at least gained some extra knowledge on what you previously had. At the end of the day, the only way you're going to get to a place of financial freedom is by acting today. And what better way to do that than by educating yourself today with one of these books I've mentioned or any other finance books out there. These books are just a few of my personal favourites, but there are thousands of books like the ones I've mentioned that are out there for you. So who knows, maybe one on this list could change your life, or one out there could change your life. Only way you're going to find out is by getting yourself out there. Now don't forget to thumbs the video up, subscribe to the channel and ring that little bell. Thank you. Goodbye.